Hey guys, welcome to Tech Notebook, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 tips on making your Android device more secure. So, let's get right into it. The first tip I have for you is to use the Unpin Apps functionality on your phone. This way, you can hand your device to somebody and not find them looking through your text 5 seconds later. To do this, you need to go into the Android settings and into security. There will then be a setting called Unpin Apps, and you need to enable that. Now once you've done that, open your app drawer and look for a pin icon, and that will pin your last app to the screen. Then lock your phone and turn it on again. The screen should stay pinned to the lock screen, and you cannot navigate to the rest of the phone. Once you're done pinning the app, press one of the navigational keys, and the instructions to unpin the app should pop up. The second tip I have for you is to disable a setting called something like Allow Installation from Unknown Sources. Disabling this will prevent any apps from installing unless it is from the Google Play Store or a company's app store like Samsung's Galaxy Apps. This will help secure your phone because other malicious apps cannot be installed on your device. If you have the famous game of Fortnite installed on your Android, you have to enable the setting to download the game. But it is highly recommended that you should disable the setting again to improve your device security. The third tip I have for you is to disable the lock screen power menu. To do this, I used an app called Smart Lock Screen Protector, which I have linked in the description. Although you can still restart the phone by holding down the power and volume keys together, you cannot entirely turn off the phone. This will prevent a thief from turning off your phone so that it cannot be tracked in the event that it has been stolen. The fourth and final tip I have for you is to always check the permissions of apps before you download them. There have been some cases where some apps have listened to your conversations, even when you're not using the app. One app that I've seen on the Play Store that uses excessive permissions is an app called Dude Perfect 2. As you can see in these screenshots, the app asks for location access, file access, microphone access, Wi-Fi connection information, and it ties up by asking for access to calls, which I don't think a game would need. Lots of people skip over these permissions and don't realize what the app gets access to when you download it. Okay, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow these tips, and I will see you in the next one.